Okay, for question number 1, we're going to use the general form y equal a x minus p square plus q, where p and q is the maximum or minimum point. So I'm going to highlight here the maximum or minimum point, the p and q, and you can see the point that we have is 2, 1. Therefore, y equal a x minus 2. That will be the value of x in the bracket, and q is 1. Alright, so at this point, we have to use, or this is where the 0, 5 will replace in the equation now to find a. So y will be 5, a 0, x will be 0 minus 2 square plus 1, and we count it carefully. 5, this is a, this will be positive 4 plus 1, and this will be 1, we bring the other side, this side 5 minus 1 will be 4, will be 4a here, and a will be 4 divided by 4, and our a will be 1. Okay, so now we have the a and p and q, so we have a full equation now. The equation is y equal 1 x minus 2 square plus 1. Okay, as a p and q is a minimum point for this question, and because a is 1, we don't write that. So this will be x minus 2 square plus 1. So this is in vertex form, but the questions want us to find in this form, ax squared plus bx plus c. So we're going to change that, or we're going to expand them. So this will be x squared minus 2ab, remember? So that will be 4x and plus 4 and plus 1. When we simplify them, we get y equal x squared minus 4x plus 5. Okay? Okay, so next we are going to solve the question number 2. This time around we have the x-intercept here, negative 2 and 6. And this time around we are going to substitute straight away. So ax plus 2, if it is negative 2 in the bracket, it should be positive 2, and if it is positive 6 in the bracket, it should be negative 6. Right, and with this, we kind of like almost there. What we're supposed to do now, we definitely need another point, and therefore 0, negative 12 will help us. The x is 0 and the y is negative 12. So negative 12, we are looking for a now. So 0 plus 2 and 0 minus 6. So negative 12, a here, this will be 2 multiplied by negative 6. We multiply all of them, so therefore negative 12, we get negative 12a in the right side. So if we divide that to find the value of a, negative 12 over negative 12, we get a, and this will be positive 1. Okay, so we have positive 1 as the a, therefore we get y equal, can skip that, positive 1 there, x plus 2, x minus 6, and this time around we expand them. So we need to expand each of them. So x squared minus 6x, don't forget to do for the other one, plus 2x minus 12. So we get x squared minus 6x, x squared minus 4x, yeah? Minus 4x minus 12, alright? So that will be the answer. Alright, so okay, now we're going to solve the last question. The last question, I think a similar form like the first question, because we have the maximum point, but question number 1 have minimum point. Therefore, we are going to use the vertex form, which is, I'm going to write middle, y equal a x plus p square plus q, alright? So y equal a x, the p is the x value. If it is negative there, we're going to put positive here, square. It's going to be opposite, and a q is the value of y. We just take that straight away. Alright, the next part, as usual, we are going to substitute the other value in order to find a here. So the x is 0, the y is 5. Put a, 0 plus 1 square plus 8. So 5 equal, this is 1 square 1, so that will just be a then, plus 8. So the a will be 5 minus 8, negative 3 here, that will be a. And we substitute here, then it's completed. Y equal negative 3, x plus 1 square plus 8. The a value is supposed to be negative. Why? Because it's a set shape graph. Okay, so now next part we are going to expand the value in the bracket. So negative 3, so x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, plus 8. And now next we're going to multiply each of them in the bracket with negative 3. Minus 6x minus 3 plus 8. So last part, we simplify the value that we have at the back. 6x plus 5. This should be the answer for question number 3.